Happy anniversary from the Low Payment Kings. Hello, everyone. This is Ralph Mahalik Jr., the Low Payment King from the Low Payment Kings Mahalik Auto Group. And I'm very proud and excited to announce several anniversaries that we're celebrating here in 2026. I'd like to share this information with you and invite you to join us. First of all, it's the 250th anniversary of America. America was founded in 1776. We've celebrated 250 years, and we're not perfect, but we're certainly the best country in the world. And let's celebrate 250 years together this year. Also, it's the 85th anniversary of Jeep. Jeep was born in 1941 in Toledo, Ohio, building Jeeps to help save the Allied troops in World War II and help win the war. So thanks to the Jeep brand for everything you've done over the last 85 years. Jeep is the second most continuously built vehicle in American automotive history. Very proud of that. Let's celebrate the 85th anniversary, and we're doing a special celebration at the Menard Dodge Superstore on Friday, August 7th as part of the 85th anniversary of Jeep and Jeep Fest, which will be August 7th, 8th, and 9th. So please join us at the Monroe Superstore again Friday, August 7th for a Jeep Fest kickoff party on our 18-obstacle Jeep off-road course. It's fun, it's exciting, and unforgettable. Also, it's the 60th anniversary of the Low Payment Kings. Yes, the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Superstore was founded by my father in 1966. And we're celebrating a big event on Tuesday, May 26th, the day after Memorial Day. Please join us at the Menard Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. Again, Tuesday, May 26th for the 60th anniversary celebration of the Menard Dodge Superstore and the Low Payment Kings. We're also celebrating the 35th anniversary of Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Winter Haven. My brother Mike and my father started Dodge Winter Haven 35 years ago, and we're proud and excited to be celebrating our 35th anniversary there. The Buckeye Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat Superstore in Shelby, Ohio is celebrating its 20th anniversary this year. We're going to have a big event down there on Wednesday night, September 23rd. Please join us for that big celebration. Can't wait. You'll also be the grand opening of our all-new state-of-the-art showroom and service facility at the new dealership built on the same property down in Shelby, Ohio. So come see the new showroom and all the 5-star team members at the Buckeye Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat Superstore. Again, Wednesday night, September 23rd. And then join us also the following day, Thursday, September 24th, at the all-new and renovated Westbrook Country Club in Mansfield, Ohio, for our 18 Aces to Conquer Cancer charity golf tournament. Very excited to have our 13th annual event, which raises money for pancreatic cancer research. Please help us out with that event. Whether you can make it to the event or not, please, we're counting on everybody to get us a donation, a silent auction item, a live auction item, golfers, sponsors, volunteers. We're looking for everything for this big event, and it's going to be a great time. We're going to have a free golf clinic there in the morning as well, and help us fight pancreatic cancer by growing our research funds here. We've made a lot of progress with pancreatic cancer over the last 13 years, and we want to continue to make progress on that horrible disease. The 15th anniversary at the Posner Park Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat store in beautiful Davenport, Florida, just west of Disney and just southwest of Orlando. It's one of the fastest growing markets in the country. So congratulations to the Posner Park team and the Low Payment King team. 15 years at Posner Park Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat, and 13 years at Lake Wales Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Congratulations to them. And 5 years now at LPK Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and Defiance. So we got them from 60 years old all the way to 5 years old. All of our stores and all of our team members look forward to serving all people all over the country. So please visit lowpaymentkings.com, where you can view almost 2,000 vehicles, videos, and Low Payment King specials in sales, service, parts, body shop, accessories, maintenance, repairs, etc. All at lowpaymentkings.com. We also have great career opportunities for people that want to grow and develop their career and work with us in Michigan, Ohio, or Florida. Call us toll free today. Join us for our anniversary celebrations. Help us with our charity event. And always click on lowpaymentkings.com for all your automotive needs. Good luck. God bless. Happy 250th anniversary to America, and happy 60th anniversary to the Low Payment Kings.